all of us at GS1 India, I could say that our dreams have come true today. Today, as we gather under one roof, representing the leadership and visionaries across the GS1 community, it's truly a special for all of us as a proud host. As every member organization have the inspiration to show the innovation. Our journey has nothing short of remarkable. When GS1 was relatively a younger MO, started in 1996, became the 88th member organization in the GS1 Global Fraternity. In these 27 years, we have come a long way because at that point of time we didn't have retailing at all. Retailing was absolutely at a very nascent stage. As we speak, still the organized modern retailing is around 13 to 14%. Technology has deeply ingrained in our society. The common man today across the globe and in India is very tech savvy, and his transformation speaks volumes about the future that awaits us. One thing which we have to accept that technologies as standards are no longer a distant force, it's becoming a way of life. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it is clear that emerging technologies that like artificial intelligence, blockchain and generative AI will not only empower organizations but also the entire nations and societies across the globe. Today, we have curated a session based on, in terms of the technologies which are there, and also the speakers today. I've been privileged to engage and listen to them and work with them for the last several years, and they are all in the, I've seen them growing from their nascent stage, and it's wonderful to have, them here as well to share their knowledge in terms of the domain.